Hello students, in previous video we have started question answers of lesson number 10 and we have discussed two questions of D part, and let us start with the third question. So the third question is, which two pollutants are often dumped by the factories into the rivers. So factories dump waste materials and harmful chemicals into the rivers. So these are the two pollutants. So the two pollutants are waste materials and harmful chemicals. From factories are often dumped into the rivers. Right? Now the next question number 4, that is, name any two diseases. Name any two. You have to write any two diseases that may be caused by drinking polluted water. So many diseases are given in your book. You have to write any two. So I am writing here jaundice and cholera. So these are the two diseases that may be caused by drinking polluted water. Now the next question number 5. Write the names of two types of materials. Write the names of two types of materials used by farmers to increase the production of crops. So we have to write the two types of materials that are used by farmers to increase their crops. So farmers use chemical fertilizers and pesticides to increase their production of crops. So write farmers use chemical fertilizers and pesticides to increase the production of their crops. right? So these are the question answers of D part. Now let us start with E part, that is answer the following questions. So here's the question number 1, that is, how do wastes from factories and fields affect the aquatic animals? How do wastes from factories and fields affect the aquatic animals? So फैक्ट्रीज और फील्ड से जो वेस्ट निकलता है वो किस तरह से एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स को अफेक्ट करता है? सो एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट मीन्स वही फैक्ट्रीज से जो वेस्ट निकलता है. सो इंडस्ट्रियल एंड एग्रीकल्चरल वेस्ट इंक्रीज द ग्रोथ ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स इन वाटर. सो जब माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे वाटर में, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस कैन रिड्यूस द सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन फॉर द एक्वेटिक animals. So let us write the answer. Industrial and agricultural wastes increase the growth of microorganisms in water. This can reduce the supply of oxygen for the aquatic animals, right? So जब ऑक्सीजन रिड्यूस हो जाएगा ऑक्सीजन एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स के लिए, देन इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू सर्वाइव. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ कैन polluted water affect the crops? So how can polluted water affect the crops? So you know that when polluted water is used for irrigation, then the fertility of soil gets reduced and crops can get damaged. So write down the answer. When polluted water is used for irrigation, the fertility of soil gets reduced. वो क्या हो जाएगी? उसकी फर्टिलिटी कम हो जाएगी एंड क्रॉप्स कैन गेट डैमेज्ड, और जो क्रॉप्स हैं वो क्या हो जाएगी? डैमेज हो जाएगी. So here we have discussed the two parts of E, two questions of E part, and 3 questions are still left. So try to find out the answers of those questions and we will discuss them in our next video. Thank you.